I think we can start solving the problems. Here first I am going to write the first main. Here we have the first main. We need to find the squares. Find the square. So we need to find out the square. So first here I am going to take the second sub question. Second sub question, it is 6.3. So when you are multiplying the decimal numbers, what we need to do here, 6.3 the square of this. So when you take here 6.3 square is equal to 6.3 into 6.3. So first you keep the decimals aside, just you need to multiply the numbers. 63 into 63. So what we will get? 3 3s are 9, 6 3s are 18, and here 6 3s are 18, remainder 1, 6 6 are 36, plus 1 it is 37. So here it is 9, 8 plus 8 it is 16, remainder 1, 3 plus 7 plus 1 it is 8, 8 plus 1 it is 9, and here we have 3. So we got the value here, it is 3969. So if you look at this, after the decimal place you have to check the numbers. We have only one digit. Okay, here we have one digit and here we have one digit. Totally you have two digits, so you need to keep the decimal here. So after the decimal place, if you check here, you should have two digits. So we have 69. So the final answer, it is 39.69. So this is the square of 63. Sorry, square of 6.3. Now we will move to the next one. Next one we have here third sub question 15. We need to find out the square of 15. So square of 15, it is nothing but 15 square. So I can take 15 into 15. 15 into 15, it is nothing but 225 you will get. If you have doubt, we can do this. 15 into 15. 5 5 is a 25, 5 to remainder 5 7 you will get. 115 into 15, 15, 5 12 2 remainder 1 225. So this is the final answer. Okay, next if you check the third main, here we have, just I am going to write the first sub question. Find the smallest number. Find the smallest number by which 2592 be multiplied so that the product is a perfect square. Now here if you look at this question, we need to find out the smallest number. Okay, we need to find the smallest number by which 2592 be multiplied. Okay, we need to multiply some number, the smallest number. We need to multiply some number so that the product, it is going to become it as a perfect square. Okay, now let me see how to find this. I am going to write here the solution. Here we have the number, it is 2592. This is not actually a perfect square. We need to multiply something to this to make it as perfect square. So let me see what is that number. I am going to use the prime factorization method here. 2592. I will take the LCM. So 2 1 2s are 2 and here 2 2s are 4. Remainder it is 1, 9 2s are 18, remainder 1, 6 2s are 12. Next you can take here 2, 6 2s are 12, 4 2s are 8 and remainder 1, 8 2s are 16. And if you see here 2, 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Next here 2, 1 2 is 2, remainder it is 1 and 6 2s are 12, here 2 2s are 4. When you take 2, 8 2s are 16, 1 2 is 2. And if you take, we know 9 9s are 81. Okay, So here what is the first step? The first step, we have to write the factors. So we have 2 into 2, how many times? 1 2 3 4 5. 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times I have written. Next we have 9 into 9. What is the next step? Next step, we need to make it as pair. Okay, so here make pair such that both the factors in each pair should be equal. Okay, so when you take when you are making into pair, I can write here first this two numbers. 2 into 2, it is one pair. Next I can write this 2 pair, both it is same number, 2 into 2. Next I cannot take these two numbers because we don't have the same numbers. When you look at this 2, we have the pair. Okay, so I can write here 9 into 9. So what is the leftover here? Only 2. Okay, so the leftover, this 2 I have written here. This 2 is here. Next, what is the next step here? The next step, we need to take one factor from each pair. So from this pair I can take 2. From this pair I can take 2, and from this pair also I can take 2. Okay, so here from this pair I can take 9. So what we will get here? 9. So now here this 2 it is left. Here this 2 it is left. So for this we need one more number, like the same number, so that we can make it as same pair of numbers. Okay, so here I can take into root 2. So here 2 2s are 4. 4 into 9 into root 2. So here I need to multiply one more 2 here to make it as pair. So I can write here it as 2 into 2, and here also into 2. So what is the least number, the smallest number be multiplied so that the product is perfect square? So what we need to multiply here? Here we need to multiply 2. Have we got it now? We need to multiply here 2. So I can write here, therefore the smallest number is, therefore the smallest number is 2, which we need to multiply to get the product as a perfect square. Okay, so this is then what is that number you will get after multiplying that to make it as a perfect square? What is the perfect square means? Here we have 9 4s are 36 into, here from this pair I can take one factor common, so I have taken here 36 into 2, it is 72. So 72 is a number, is a perfect number, is a perfect square number. Here the fourth one, find the smallest number by which 10368 be divided. So that the result is perfect square. Also find the square root of the resultant. Find the square root of the resultant. Okay, now here solution. Here they have given we need to find the smallest number. So this is the smallest number which this number be divided. This it is very important. When it is divided means we need to divide the number. When it is multiplied means we need to multiply the number, so that the resultant is a perfect square, and also find the square root of the resultant. Now first I am going to write the square root of 10,368, the number 10,368. Now here the unit digit is 8, so I can take here it is 2, 5 2s are 10, and here 1 2 is 2, remainder it is 1, 8 2s are 16, 4 2s are 8. Next I can take here it is 2, 2 2s are 4, remainder 1, 5 2s are 10, remainder 1, 9 2s are 18, and here 2 2s are 4. If you look at this here, 2 table, 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4, remainder 1, 9 2s are 18, remainder 1, 6 2s are 12. If you take 2, 6 2s are 12, and here 4 2s are 8, and remainder 1, 8 2s are 16, and here 2, 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Further if you continue, 1 2 is 2, remainder it is 1, 6 2s are 12, and here we have 2 2s are 4. If you take 2, 8 2s are 16, and 8 2s are 16, and 1 2s are 2. So here I can take 9 9s are 81. So the first step we need to write the factors. Okay, so when you are writing the factors, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 7 2s are there, 1 2 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 7 2s are there, and 9 2 times we need to write, 9 into 9. Now what is the third step? Third step we need to make it as pair. Okay, so here we need to make the pair such that both the factors should have the same numbers. So I can take here the first 2 into 2. Next here we have the next one, 2 into 2. Next pair here, this 2 into 2. So here 2 into 9 it is not possible, because this pair we don't have the same numbers. I can take 9 into 9. So here 9 into 9. So the left over here it is 2. Now listen carefully. What is the least number divided by? So divided by means, so which number we don't have the pair, that is the number what we need to divide. So here 2 is a number what we need to divide. Therefore the smallest number is 2. Okay, which we need to divide. So when you divide here, they're asking, listen carefully, when it is divided means this number we need to divide. When it is adding means one more 2 it is added to this. Is it clear? So that the resultant is a perfect square. So we need to find out the perfect square. So what we need to do here, from this 2 I can take one factor each pair. So here also in each pair I can take one factor, here also 2, and here we have, from this I can take 9. So when you multiply, what we will get here, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 8 into 9, 8 9s are 72. Therefore, the square root of the resultant is 72. The square root of the resultant is 72. What is the smallest number which we need to divide? Means you need to take it as 2 is the smallest number which we need to divide, which need to be divided. And what is the perfect square root of the resultant? Means here 72 is a perfect square number for the square root of the resultant. Okay, next here we'll move to the next one. Next we need to find out the square root of, here I have the example exercise problem 5th one. We need to find the square root of, here we have the second sub question. First we'll solve the first one, because the first one it is in decimal. 0.1764. So when you have here, first you need to remove this decimal. To remove this decimal, we need to multiply the number of, one follows of number of zeros. It's depend on the question. So after the decimal place, we have here how many digit? 1 2 3 4 digits. So when you have 4 digit, we need to write here 1 follows of 4 0. 1 2 3 4 zeros. Same here, we need to remove that as, now listen, 0.1764 into 1 follow of 4 zeros. So what we will get here, we are going to remove the decimal places, so that numbers alone we will get here 1764. So this 4 decimal places and 4 zeros, it will get cancelled, divided by 1 follows of 4 zeros. Now if you look at this, so here we have numerator by denominator. So what we need to do, the square root of a fraction, square root of fraction, square root of fraction, actually we need to find out the square root of this number. So here also it will come square root of, and here also we will get the square root. So when you have the square root of fraction is equal to, we need to take the square root of numerator divided by square root of denominator. So first I am going to take the square root of numerator 1764 divided by square root of denominator. Actually the denominator square, it is very easy, because 1 follows of 4 zeros, it is nothing but the square root of this number, it is, we have pair of zeros, so we have 2 pairs. So I can write here 100, 10 into 10. So here the square root of this value, it is going to be 10. Next we need to find out the square root of 1764. So I can write here 1764. When you take 2, 8 2s are 16, remainder it is 1, 8 2s are 16, and here we have 2 2s are 4. Here I can write 2, 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8 and 1. So 441, it is nothing but 21 square. So I can write here square root of this number. First you have to write the pair of numbers. Okay, the factors first you need to write. So the factors 2 into 2 into 21 into 21. And here, so further if we simplify, next step what we need to do, we need to make it as a pair. Okay, so make pair such that both the factors in each pair should be equal. So here we have equal. 2 into 2 into here we have 21 into 21 whole divided by 10. Okay, now in the next step, here if you look at this, take one factor from each pair. So from each pair I need to take one factors. From this factor I need to take 2. From this pair I need to take one factor, it is 21 whole divided by 10. So here 21 into 21 into 2, it is 42 divided by 10. So when you have one follow of 1 0, here you need to keep the decimal 4.2. Therefore the square root of 0.1764 is equal to 4.2. So this is the value. Next we will move to the next one. Here we have the second sub question. 96 1 divided by 25. So this is in the form of a mixed fraction. First you need to convert into improper fraction. So 96 into 25, what we will get here? 6 5s are 30, 3 remainder, and 9 5s are 45. 45 plus 3, it is 48, and 6 2s are 12, 2 remainder 1, 9 2s are 18 plus 1, it is 19, and here it is 0, 8 plus 2, it is 10, remainder 1, 9 plus 4 it is 13, 13 plus 1 it is 14, remainder 1. So 2400, we have plus 1 here. So when you add plus 1 you will get 2401. So this is a numerator 2401 divided by 25. Now we need to find out the square root of this value. So square root of this value, what we will get here? We have a numerator. See, when you have the square root, it is in the fraction. So the square root, it is common for numerator and as well as for the denominator also. 2401 divided by square root of 25. So here we need to find here square root of 2401. So what we will get here? When it is unit digit is 1. Okay, here we have 2401. Unit digit is 1, so in that 2 it is not possible. If I take 3, 2 plus 4 it is 6, 6 plus 1 7, 7. In 7 it is not divisible by 3. Next if you take 4 it is not possible, 5, 6, no 7. Let me see with the 7. So here 7 3s are 21, remainder it is 21, remainder it is 3. So again if you take 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, and here remainder it is 1. 7 3s are 21, we will get 7 3s are 21. So we got here 343. So 343, again it is possible with 7 table, because 7 cube it is 343. Let me see here. So here 34 is right. So which table I can, if I take 5 sons are 35, so I need to take 4 7 4s are 28. 28 means leftover it is 6, 63, 9 sons are 63, and here it is 7 7s are 49. So I can write the factors of this number. It is 7 into 7 into 7 into 7. 4 times 7 we need to write, divided by, here we have 25, I can write it as 5 into 5. What is the next step here? We need to take that, we need to make the pair such that both the factors in each pair should have the same number. So here we have, I can write only one factor, and from here also I can take only one factor, and here one factor. So 7 7s are 49 divided by 5. Or you can write it as 9 5s are 45, remainder it is 4. 9 4 by 5. Therefore the square root of 96 1 divided by 25 is equal to 49 divided by 5, or you can write it as 9 4 by 5 also. So this is the answer.